megalayapost.news.
ड्राइवर भी नहीं लगाया। ये तो पका पिया सर। खुला वाला है
उधर है सर, पति ये है बिना
Kajingtang jong ki bulet kari boy bantala sina pangi ki kali ki baya asurok ba National Highway 6 kamtam bante lakam ye kinong di buan bat kinong pankin an klawan ra kajing seso hadian bagi pajba kilas dang ban bur ranti wala kidang don katu kat ni ki bangan ha ka kuna ki pulen namar ka khubor ka pursten marsendon ki pulet hasurong ki pajba ki mnut su ban letam ka balawan ra ru kajing her arsut ki jingja accident kum ha ki bnai baladap nakaliang ki pulet kari boy ha kami jong ka khanri tarik urisa po kajing elam usenya superintendent of police kari boy vs rathor lambat uba Orville Masar additional SP ringkat ke kenhun ki pulit kenong po traffic kilami biang syasurok banlek pan syakathan kuinain bantalasi yaki kali penkinyan bat ka bakham sutanat hagan ke jing talasi kalong bawat ki VDP nagsnong kuinain kilami lang bantalasi yaki kali kum ke jing snok ti lang bat ke jing kersyan ya kam barat ba balas sedang lagi pulit karibhoy hagan ke jing talasi ki pulit kilayo bandan kuna yaki badi buan ki bapandai yaki light LED ki bakta yaki nonglet nongwan hasurong ki bayang badiai bean nakajaka bomdei bat ta terter bat ka kuna ha kani gamiet ka poi kumba arlak tam bat sanlak habakhen kelum habaro ko ke district na marga te jing talasi omsam la le tang sijaka hanre keleng ki jaka karibhoy habakran skilat pathai kubor OSP karibhoy ula ga jing kublai ki VDP jong gnong kuinain na kamta ga jing simta lem ga jongki bat ula ongru bagani galong ka sien jam ka bakerpang bat kongsan bha bat balada baro ki VDP jong gnong hapo riboy district ki ba omduna yan rius pa tali gnong kini trelang rengkan bat ki pulen kan nong ga jing kersyan barat ba na benta banla banrat dingkong kam sniu hapo ke imlang salang bat ka district hibaro kawai kabalaru banwanra ai ka jingjob ya ka jingtumu jong ka police department man penlong ya ka riboy crime free district ne ka district ka balai lu na ki kam sniu
penentang kam dan kami ban penekam de kan ni ka beneng da biang da syai ka dum makan ar ka syai di kan unnecessary shit like kai gini so on pat kole ja accident ये तो पका पिया सर किराए की ब्रियो खुला वाला है
उधर है सर, पति ये है बिना तो
हाँ गुड
वो तो है सर ये हो गया
मामा लेफ्ट दी फॉर्मो साइड भी मामा साइड ऐसे नहीं सामने berapa berkat bukan pulet mau pendeng ibu gitu buat ini mana ini bull bumper no this is this is a big bull bumper hi no this is the guy this is the guy what a guy nomor 10,000 होगा आपको pollution plate 10,000 होगा
tinted plus 2,000 alteration 5,000 17,000 और क्या पहले देखो लाइट भी नहीं है और आगे में 3 आदमी बैठा है चलो I was driving myself for a long time. Blinding. You cannot see anything. When you don't need to use halogen lights or any form of additional lights, just use your normal light. Hey,
so, yung unauthorized. Mano ba kaya kini hapan kinsisan ka? Hapan kot yung try. Ganun ba po niya? Pun yung try. Tawan mo. Pun ta pun. Mating pun. Pun yung try man niya? Section 181. Sabihan. 1,000 fine. Small fry LED 1,000. Đơn em này sân ông hay gì? Đơn em. Bạn đơn cho mình nhá. Untuk apa? Kemai apa dia? Dong. Kemai om. Kemai om. Iya. Kemai ini. Untuk man kasih kemai 4 ton. Lesen. Masaya rukiro arno lagi deh ini.
Hah?
Tu kosong.
Ada padi dah marwai ada ngerem cipre, ada marwai.
Tu arno pat.
Itu dah bagikan lagi yang perlu perlu.
Wow, mati kasnya basong itu. Pariaran itu di arno. Driver भी नहीं लगाया। हाँ? ठीक है, सीट लगा लीजिए। लगाइए। अपना लगाओ ना पहले।
So we would like to thank our VDP friends here. They have been standing with us since around 5 p.m. today. It's already almost 10. So last 5 hours they have been working with us. So we thank them from the bottom of our hearts. And at the same time, I appeal to all our friends who are engaging with us on social media platforms, various platforms. Give us suggestions to further improve any aspect of policing which you feel should be improved, and constructive criticism is also welcome. We take your comments very seriously. We work on them. Some comments can be implemented immediately. Some comments are policy level decisions, so it takes some time, but rest assured we go through each and every comment you post on our social media platforms, various media channels and all, and we work on it. So ultimately, let us collaborate and work together to make this district and this beautiful state as crime free as possible, so that our children can go to school freely, they can enjoy their life freely without being scared or anything like that. So thank you so much again to our VDP friends.
VDP juga senang kuinan hi berawai. Ngidap dari jenis kemen haduk tata namar bagi yadon bentalang baca police department namar nakapor ngingim ju syong thai ban ya duty hapok kasunong jogi namar bagi pe jenang ta ka bha kamyat ka sungsuk ngan kasunong hi bro ka wei bat kumju di para kisunong pramajan ten roi habangi don bade ringkat hasda ngi tailang bade baka police department bade tengi sus ngai hanai menta kambiat bade ngi lagi jong ki kmat isaki ba ngidon bentalang hakan ni kabangin checking ki kali ke ni subon bah jing tuna ki kali mo ki ba kiu ki bahian kumbala ban biang mena ka ngelai lagi jong ki keman ba ki bun ki brio ki besong ba kali buan rei ki bade ban pendon kam use seat belt andai tak use seat belt rukim tip ban pendon kam mo te bun ngin hab hi ban kamtam gidon ki kentai ngin hab ban lej mangi ban pendeng use seat belt dia kata kaya dah mo na jim salan dia dah melak biang kam kali mo andai la dangi ni pendon kam yung seat belt ba dia long katu long ka safety na kam ta jungi dengan kentu kan yang ka ki pai ba juro nam ta ki ba ki banyak kali ki driver sumpah ken long ba ha banyak kali sumpah wat num pendon kam kenya ki jingdi ba penbuan maka wan ra ke jim sao dia mendai tang ya ki driver kam tami ki wei du mo te kamta mangiru haki bayat bayang untuk la dagi driver ki buat ki num tip show jing mesau jing yap ka jab ada nang tagi bom tip bayat lenti lan ni kumta termo te ngi kentu ken nang benta ki pajba ki basong kali ki driver kamtam nang ta ki bakin buat lam ya ka rule ka an baka ik baka sarkar ka government ka pilihan te kamtam kini ki don menen ngelai obat kami ki don ki long kami ki don ki rang baru mo ki shong scooty ndai ki helmet ki kelem pendon kamru te nang ta bande ka la jak ji mat sa bade mano bajen jar mo te nang ta bande ki don ru ki kali bade habangi pej mentangi saki lagi jong ki kman bangi don lang mentang miet ki don ki kali ba ki pendon kam lagi tu ki LED light ki ba nalot ba ka company la ai gitu ki light ande ki dang pendon kam long bu tam sadala dia mo idon segi light bani ki ba long ki krip gitu ka pen thabai ki wei bada te kum gitu ro kemut ngi sa ekran hina ka puan dai mentangi saki ba mentang idon lang hang ne ba nakaliang police department kila kila sistem sisa dan nakaliang jungi ke VDP jong ke senong punai ni i penpa jing sumu nang ta ya ka police department apa jing penia ju isa SP bangi la ya don bentalang kan ya te
ni sngo kia habang yu shibun ki kubor ba ki jingja ki accident lengba ki ka sok ba mo mar ka stong jungi ka dan kawai na kidai kawai na kisnang ki ba dan hang ni apo pedeng badan kini ki sok ba namar ba janman kapor isu ki accident mana kini tayo belada pemang ba ketika bolero ba ki truk ba senani hajan di sisang sukia habang ba bun ki musim brio ki duno bat haba iwat jinte pat kadai kada ba bun ki ba accident ki ba yap ki ba mesau kadai ba hadian ba ladi kiat te hadian bangi lagi ba jingwan jong mo isa ASP ba ka team hi jong ki police officer jong kali boy kila sedang ban checking ban bat ki kali bangi mentah pedeng alai tio la dona ba ka accident tengiru kum ka snong hi kum ki VDP na po snong sukia tengi dan bentalang akan kasngi na ka menta ka jingba kajing mentoy jong ka imlang salang hi balak hoi te kajing na kalian jongi ki VDP ngi kerpat iki pat ba kamtam ki driver ba umdeye ba kinsenge kadikiat tang ha ba dan checking ngi kerpat pi ba subha habadi kiat haba pinya kali panam dikiat hoi kibun kirang ba ki bala jumlien bandi mo imla ban khang tang ba thiet ra ban dai pla po hieng set kali sadi no kan inde ba pindi halenti ba tada ka jingdi ju phi halenti phi ang andi tang khendiat andai khendiat kan ba pinde po hieng la ja pa ka jingja ba susi andai ka jingja susi kalang ba ba susi shu inde ba phi mesau tang phi badi andai ka pen mesau pa di ki we ka bam tip ye te na kaliang ga jong ni ikerpa di ki pai ba subha ban long pikir ba kinya kali kumene mo kibun ki ba gilap ha ka jenglap jongi ha bagidan lang bagi police checking gilap kidon ki ba ting wat banyak baj bat mobile ilada kinya ka baik kinya kali pibat mobile untuk pipai mobile ada accident ke banjai gitu ki passenger dan ki dan lang hajan nang ta ka kum ka awareness mo bangilap mane kibun hi ki pai ba kim ju penan kam wat yusid bel tena kalian jungi habang yoi kum tu long ikentu lang hi pai ba kadai ke jingmentoy jung pi pai ba lada jai lada fibrik kan san le accident kum ba menu mensau pi ba syong kali te ban light na jing mensau subham penan kam lam yusid bel ane wat nam dikiat ane wat penan kami mobile mo te kata hai na kalian jungi bat ni na kalian jungi ni ai ru kata ka yumo ba ngindang dan benta be nang ni syakman na kam ta ka jingba jong ka imlang salang ngindang pej ngori ka snong ka thau kamtam ni isibun ke jingja ke ba ja ki breo ke ja ki khna keleng kari khasi te na kalian jungi VDP ni dan benta ban ya duty ka snong man pe snong ka thau kamtam khapol men miet mo te nga ai kulei kilong kimi ba ki member jing VDP jungi ki bun kilong kimi ki simkhia ke ne kam te na kalian jungi habade baka sok sign bat ka imsok imsan ban lai de no jingma jing sao te ni kulai ban IT mo ban nakamta ka snong ka thau bangin mi bangin dan benta wala kalong menski la ne min ni kulai ban dan benta lang.
Everyone is aware we have been doing this traffic safety drive for last almost 2 to 3 weeks now. And today the checking is being done with our VDP friends here from Quinine Nonglado. So we all want the VDPs to be part of our enforcement drives also, because see, we have around 650 villages in this district, 650 to 700 roughly, and every VDP has around 15 to 20 members. So that brings the count to around 10 to 12,000 persons. So we are trying very hard to constitute VDPs in each and every village of our district, so that we have around 10 to 12,000 boys and girls who will actually become our eyes and ears. We have seen in the past that a lot of children have gone missing in various parts of the state, some on their own, some were kidnapped also, few murder cases were also reported. So if we have these VDP friends in every village, we take it as a very strong mechanism to prevent crimes in future. So that is the whole thing, and the state government under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister Sir, Home Minister Sir, even the Chief Secretary Sir, DGP ma'am, they are very positive about that this idea, and serious consideration is going on to provide certain equipment to our VDP friends as well as some monetary allowance to boost their morale. So it's a work in progress, and we believe that with VDPs in our assistance, we'll be much better placed to prevent crimes, especially the road traffic accidents, and also during investigation of the cases. The whole idea is to assign a group of 5 to 10 households to each VDP member, so that he can keep watch on those households, and if there is any problem, anyone troubling a child or maybe stalking a child or harassing him or her in the school or college or in the village. So these small things which generally go unreported, that information also comes to us, so that we can improve the visibility of police force in those villages through our regular patrolling and all. So it's a consistent drive. Primary objective is to stop road traffic accidents, and the data is very encouraging. People have been very supportive of this drive, and in last 2 weeks roughly, we have hardly seen any accident happening on the roads, which was not the case in last few months. So this is giving us results, so we are further emboldened to work harder, and we keep on changing our venue. Today we are at Quinine because this is one of the hotspots where most of the traffic accidents have been reported from. There are similar hotspots in other parts of the highway, like Shangbangla is one of the spots, Umling is another spot. So we'll be changing our location as well as timing of the checking, so that that element of unpredictability remains. And some people, now we are getting reports that people ask that whether there is a checking going on in Ribhoi. So that's a good sign. That's a positive sign. We are not harassing anyone. It's whole thing is aimed at saving lives. So it's a noble cause, and we are fully energized. The whole team is here. One point I would like to say, that we as officers, we get all the attention, the optics, the social media, but actual heroes are behind us. These are the people, the constabulary, the head constables, the Nayaks, Lance Nayak. They often go unreported. Without them, officers can't do anything. So they are the actual heroes behind the success of this drive. They have been standing on road not only during these special drives, right from the morning around 7:30 AM, they are on the roads manning the traffic points so that our children can go to school safely. So the credit goes to them as well. They have been absolutely amazing, and it's the constabulary who keeps the police force running. So my message through this media bite is also that the constabulary, who are the real heroes in this whole crime prevention and crime control scheme, they should also be duly recognized. At the same time, our VDP friends, today we have from Quinine, Nonglado. I would like to request them also to say something, what they feel about how the police can improve further, and we'll be welcoming those suggestions and ideas and work upon them.
Meghalaya Post.News